Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious beef bacon. First, choose a lean cut of beef, such as a brisket flat or a beef round. Next, prepare your curing mixture, including kosher salt, brown sugar, and a small amount of curing salt number 1. Rub this mixture thoroughly over all surfaces of the beef. Place the beef in a sealed bag and refrigerate it for about 7 to 10 days to allow the cure to penetrate. After the curing period, it's time to rinse and dry your beef. Remove the beef from the bag and rinse it very well under cold, running water for several minutes. This step is crucial to remove excess salt and curing agents from the surface. Once rinsed, pat the beef completely dry with paper towels. For best results, place the beef on a wire rack in the refrigerator, uncovered, for at least 4 to 6 hours, or even overnight to form a pellicle. Now for the exciting part, smoking your beef bacon. Preheat your smoker to a low temperature, ideally between 180 and 200 degrees Fahrenheit. Place the beef directly on the smoker grates. Smoke the beef until its internal temperature reaches 150 degrees Fahrenheit. This process can take several hours, depending on the thickness of your beef and your smoker's consistency. Using wood chips like apple, cherry, or hickory will impart a wonderful smoky flavor. Once smoked, let the beef cool completely, then chill it in the refrigerator for at least 4 hours or preferably overnight. This makes slicing much easier. Use a sharp knife or a meat slicer to cut the beef thinly against the grain, just like regular bacon. Finally, cook your homemade beef bacon in a hot pan until it's crispy and golden brown. Enjoy your delicious, homemade beef bacon.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.